Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely superb Honda CB1000R+. Here we have a Honda CB1000R+ Neo Sports Cafe. This is a 2019 bike on a 19 plate with just 10,512 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is in good condition and comes with a number of accessories, including, as you can see there, the RNG crash bungs, the red anodised levers and bar ends, along with the matching foot pegs. You also get the seat cowl, this being the Plus model. There's also a Quickshifter and the heated grips. They're the Honda heated grips, of course. No marks on the mirrors, all the bar ends on this bike. All the paintwork is really good, save for a few very light boot marks and a small dent on the seat cowl. We do have the rear seat, so if you weren't happy with the marks on the seat cowl, you can of course fit the rear seat instead. The exhaust is unmarked, the wheels are in great condition as well with that red rim tape. The rear tyre's got loads of life left in it there, and as you probably spotted, there's a tail tidy fitted as well. You've got the various tank protection stickers as well, a Honda tank pad along with the dots to protect the paint from your knees. The front seat itself is in excellent condition, no rips, tears or otherwise. The front of the bike, that's great, there's no stone chips at all on it, save for a couple of tiny ones on the front mudguard there. And the forks, again, likewise great condition. No corrosion anywhere really on this bike. The RNG fork spindle protectors there as well. The front tyre, loads of life left in that one as well. Let's come out to the left-hand side of the bike, and that's in good condition as well. A petrol tank, no marks on there. This side of the bike actually is clear on the seat cowl as well. There's that foot peg, colour-coded foot peg. Single-sided swing arm on this one, of course, ABS fitted and traction control. Just going to show you in there amongst the rear shock, which is all good. A little tiny bit of spotting on the rear shock there, nothing to worry about at all. There's that quick shifter I mentioned and the RNG crash bung. Tiny mark on the left-hand bar end there, as you can see, but nothing on the mirror or the lever. All in all, these bikes offer excellent value for money. Really nice, powerful, smooth engine. Nice, comfortable riding position. Got those features like the heated grips and the ABS as well. A really great choice if you're after a super naked. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful CB1000R, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.